Welcome to Techmirror, the best robot vacuums in 2026, comparing performance, smart features, battery life, and value for money. Whether you want hands-free cleaning or advanced mapping, we have you covered. Links in the description. Stay tuned to find the perfect robot vacuum for your home. Make sure to watch until the end for recommendations today. Number 5. The iRobot Roomba Plus 405 Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop with Auto Wash Dock delivers a highly automated and intelligent cleaning experience designed for modern households. It combines powerful suction, advanced mopping, and smart navigation into a single compact device that significantly reduces daily cleaning effort. With up to 70 times more suction power compared to earlier models in the Roomba 600 series, it effectively removes dust, crumbs, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. The dual clean spinning mop pads provide deep scrubbing action, applying steady pressure to tackle sticky stains and everyday grime. The mop function intelligently adjusts when it detects carpets, automatically lifting the pads to avoid unwanted moisture transfer. The Qrevo LiDAR navigation system maps your home quickly and accurately, allowing the robot to clean in structured paths while avoiding obstacles, even in low light conditions. Users can customize cleaning routines through the Roomba Home application, selecting vacuum only, mop only, combined cleaning, or sequential modes for a more thorough result. The ability to set clean zones and keep out zones provides precise control over where the robot operates. The Auto Wash Dock is a major convenience feature. It automatically empties debris, washes the mop pads, dries them, and maintains readiness for future cleaning cycles. This reduces maintenance frequency and ensures consistently fresh cleaning performance over time. Voice Assistant compatibility adds another layer of convenience, allowing control through simple spoken commands. Overall, this model offers a strong combination of power, intelligence, and automation, making it a practical choice for users seeking a nearly hands-free home cleaning solution. Number 4. The Roborock Qrevo Series Robot Vacuum Cleaner and Mop delivers a highly advanced and fully automated home cleaning experience, combining strong suction power, intelligent navigation, and minimal maintenance design into one premium device. It is built for users who want powerful cleaning with very little manual effort. With 8,000 Pascal hyperforce suction, this robot easily lifts dust, crumbs, and embedded dirt from both carpets and hard floors. It performs especially well along edges and in corners where debris often collects. The dual spinning mop system enhances its cleaning capability by scrubbing floors at 200 rotations per minute, helping remove sticky stains and everyday grime with consistent pressure. One of its most impressive features is the all-in-one docking station. It automatically empties the dust container, refills the water tank, washes the mop pads, and even dries them with cool air. This creates a nearly hands-free cleaning cycle that can run for weeks without user intervention. The PreciSense LiDAR navigation system maps the home accurately and allows efficient cleaning routes across multiple floors. Reactive obstacle avoidance helps the robot move smoothly around furniture, cables, and other objects without frequent interruptions. The mop lift function ensures carpets remain dry by automatically raising the pads when transitioning from hard floors. For homes with pets, the anti-tangle rubber brush system is a major advantage, reducing hair wrap and simplifying maintenance. App control and voice assistant compatibility make scheduling and customization easy, offering features like zone cleaning and no-go areas. Overall, the Roborock Qrevo series stands out as a powerful, intelligent, and low-maintenance cleaning solution for modern households seeking convenience and performance. Number 3. The Roborock QV35S Robot Vacuum and Mop from the Qrevo series is a highly advanced cleaning solution designed for users who want maximum performance with minimal effort. It combines extremely powerful suction, intelligent mapping, and a fully automated maintenance system to deliver a truly hands-free cleaning experience. With an impressive 10,000 Pascal hyperforce suction power, this robot effectively removes deep embedded dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. It performs particularly well in corners and along edges, ensuring a thorough clean throughout the home. The dual anti-tangle brush system is ideal for pet owners as it significantly reduces hair wrapping and keeps maintenance simple and efficient. The dual spinning mop pads operate at high speed to scrub away stubborn stains, while the system intelligently lifts the mops up to 10 millimeters when transitioning onto carpets. This prevents unwanted moisture transfer and allows seamless movement across different floor types. Users can also customize water flow levels through the application for different cleaning needs. One of the strongest features of this model is its all-in-one docking station. It automatically empties dust, refills water, washes the mop pads, and dries them using air. This creates a long-lasting hands-free cleaning cycle that can run for weeks without intervention. The dock also supports faster charging, improving overall efficiency. The PressaSense LiDAR navigation system creates accurate maps of your home and supports multiple floor levels. Reactive obstacle avoidance helps the robot navigate around cluttered areas smoothly. Smart application controls allow scheduling, zone cleaning, and personalized cleaning strategies. Overall, the Roborock QV35S offers exceptional power, automation, and intelligence, making it a premium choice for modern smart homes. Number 2. The Roborock Saros 10 Robot Vacuum and Mop represents a new level of premium home cleaning technology, combining extreme suction power, intelligent automation, and advanced AI navigation in a remarkably slim design. It is built for users who want top-tier performance with minimal manual involvement. With an outstanding 22,000 Pascal suction power, this robot easily lifts deeply embedded dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets, rugs, and hard floors. The zero-tangling dual brush system ensures smooth operation, even in homes with heavy shedding pets, maintaining consistent cleaning performance without frequent maintenance. The Adaptalift chassis and liftable brush system allow it to transition across different floor types while maintaining strong contact for effective dirt removal. The Viberize 4.0 mopping system delivers high-frequency sonic vibration that scrubs floors thoroughly, removing stubborn stains with precision. It intelligently detaches and lifts the mop when carpets are detected, preventing moisture transfer and ensuring seamless switching between vacuuming and mopping modes. Navigation is highly advanced, thanks to Reactive AI 3.0 obstacle recognition and a multi-sensor system that includes LiDAR and structured light technology. This allows the robot to detect furniture, cables, and small objects in real time while cleaning closely along edges and corners. The new generation RockDock Ultra elevates convenience by washing mop pads with hot water, drying them with heated air, refilling water tanks, and automatically managing dirt disposal. This creates a nearly maintenance-free cleaning cycle for extended periods. Smart voice control and app integration provide easy customization, while pet-friendly features like hair handling and pet monitoring add extra value. Overall, the Roborock Saros 10 is a highly intelligent and powerful cleaning system designed for modern smart homes seeking maximum automation and performance. Number 1. The Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop is a highly advanced cleaning system that pushes the limits of modern home automation with extreme suction power, intelligent navigation, and a fully automated maintenance dock. It is designed for users who expect premium performance and minimal manual effort. With an impressive 35,000 Pascal suction power, this robot delivers exceptional deep cleaning results across wood, tile, carpet, and hard floor surfaces. It effectively removes embedded dust, debris, and pet hair while maintaining strong and consistent airflow. The upgraded Duo Brush system helps reduce tangling and ensures smooth operation, even in homes with heavy shedding pets. One of its standout features is the ultra-slim 3.13-inch design, which allows the robot to reach under low furniture such as beds and sofas, where traditional vacuums cannot access. Combined with dual artificial intelligence cameras and proactive illumination, it intelligently detects obstacles and adapts its cleaning path in real time for maximum coverage and efficiency. The mopping system is equally impressive. With strong downward pressure and high-speed spinning pads, it scrubs stubborn stains effectively while using warm water for enhanced cleaning results. It also intelligently adjusts to different floor conditions, ensuring consistent performance without damaging surfaces. The all-in-one docking station significantly reduces maintenance effort. It automatically empties dust, washes mop pads with hot water, dries them with warm air, and refills water tanks. This allows for extended hands-free operation, making daily cleaning almost effortless. Smart application control provides full customization, including zone cleaning, carpet settings, and voice control compatibility. Overall, the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete offers powerful performance, intelligent automation, and premium convenience for modern smart homes. That wraps up our list of the best robot vacuums in 2026. We hope this guide helped you choose the right model for your home and budget. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Take care and stay tuned.